I'm Anthony Coluca, EDM Applications Engineer here at Makino. Today we're going to go through how to maintenance our guide system on a UX3 machine. So first step, we want to take off our flush cups here simply by unscrewing them. There's our lower one and our upper. Now, you should have gotten a guide tool with your machine that looks just like this. So, for one side, we're going to use it on the lower guide. It's just going to snap on and we'll crack it loose and take it out. Lower guide right there. And then on this side, we're first going to take out the jet nozzle on the upper head as well as the upper guide. So, crack loose our jet nozzle, unscrew. Be careful, make sure there's an O-ring up here. You don't have it fall in the tank or let it fall loose or anything like that. And again, we're going to flip our little jig tool here and take out the upper guide. So, now that we have both our guides out, I'm going to take a bottle of our acid right here, HYP, and then a toothbrush or a brush of any kind. Q-tips work well, and I'm just going to scrub our guides up a little bit. So, I'm giving my guide a good scrub, making sure all the dirt and grime and crud from the EDM process is off. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the lower guide here. Give it a good scrub. Now, once we've scrubbed both our guides, it's important to rinse them with water. We don't want this acid on the table eating away our guides or the table. So whenever you use this acid, always make sure, rinse it off with some water. Now we have both our lower and upper guide nice and clean. We are simply going to screw them back into the heads, use our guide tool here to tighten them up, and then we will be ready to rock. So I'm lightly putting our guides back into the upper and lower head. One thing to note too, they have different threads on each, so you can't get confused. You're never accidentally gonna put lower and upper, upper and lower. I have both our guides back in. Again, gonna use my tool here, and you just need a fine touch. You don't need to crank on it, just get it good and nice and snug, just like that. Same thing with the upper head. Nice and snug. I'm going to put back in our jet nozzle here. Again, we're going to use this side of the guide tool. Like I said before, just be aware. We have an O-ring in here. Make sure you don't lose it or anything like that. And I'm just going to tighten it up. Use our guide tool, give it a nice and snug tight, should stop. Finally, we're going to put our flush cups back on. Make sure the table's all sprayed down, acid's all rinsed off. And that was guide maintenance on our UX3 series machine.